Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Time Mode. And in today's video tutorial, we will cover this offset curve. For this offset curve, these are the curves. Some of these curves are used for the 3D geometry. In the solid model, we can use this curve. So first, I will convert this sketch into a 3D. So I extrude it at a certain height and click OK. Now this is my 3D object. Now I want to offset this upper curve, so go to curve, and in curve we have this offset curve. In offset curve I will choose this first option, distance. Select the curve, this is this curve. The outer curve will offset at a 5 millimeter. Inside I choose it at a 10. Now I want to flip this, so it will come outside the body. This is, if you want to copy more than one, so type here as a 2. So two curve will offset at a distance of 10 and 10 each between 2. Here we have this associative option. If you check this associative, the all curve are associated, both these two curves are associated with the base one with the parent one, if we check it. And here we have input curve keep. We have this curve and this is curve of the top face, so it will always keep. If it is not from the top, then you hide. If you want to hide, it will hide if it is not the top surface of this body or solid object. So in this it will keep and extend and fillet. You will see offset, rough offset, it will work only when we have some input curves intersecting with each other. So it will create a rough offset automatically after adjusting the intersecting curve. That time we will use this offset curve. If you choose this offset curve, we don't have the option of number of copies. If you want to use number of copies, then deselect this offset curve. Now click OK. The curve will appear like this. Now I will delete this and delete. Again I will choose this offset curve, and second option we have this draft, and select the curve. Now number of copies, here we have two options. Number one is height and second is angle. Suppose I choose a 5 as a height and number of copies are 4, and I want to define the angle, and angle is 12. So this will come like this. This is a 12-degree angle. Just change 25, so it will come like this. And the rest option are same, so just click OK. And if you want to use these curves, so we have this through curve. You can go with this add 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 and click OK. Want to rotate, just rotate. So with the help of this curve, we can use through curve mesh. Okay, just undo this and just undo this. Again, go to curve and choose this offset curve, and here we have this law control and 3D axial. So first I will choose this 3D axial. This curve, with this method we can offset the curve at a specific vector in any specified direction. So this is the offset, and here we have offset direction, reverse maybe, and if you want to define the direction, here we have the direction, or if you have any other direction, so just cancel this. And first I will create a line for reference. Just select a line, suppose this is my direction. Now again choose this offset curve and change the method to 3D axial. Set the curve and direction. I will choose this 2 point for my direction. So curve will come in a specific direction. Change the distance, you can see. Now click OK. Want to rotate, just rotate this. Again we can use through curve or ruled surface. We can use, because we have only two curves, so we can use ruled. If we are on more than two curve, we will go and we will use this through curve. Just delete this, and next in offset curve we have this law control. That is, this is my curve. Now I will change the number of copies as 2. The 2 will remain. This is just like offset, and here it is some problem, so just change to 1. And now I will change it to linear, and in linear I will change this value as 12. It is coming in a linear manner. If you change this to cubic, the cubic shape will come. Again linear along spine. For this option we have to create a spine, a line with minimum 2 points. Same for this, and if you have an equation, with the help of equation you can create this, and same for the logger, and click OK. So hope friends you understand this offset command properly, and I think you can use it while you are designing something. So thank you for watching, and keep watching.